it's Sandra from the DisneyCarToys channel, and I've got something hiding behind this big banana and a little Ava. Oh my gosh, look! It's a little fingerling monkey! So cute. Hey, look, its hair kind of matches the banana. Do you want more little fingerlings? Yeah, I think so. So this video is sponsored by WowWee, so special thanks. And we are celebrating the brand new fingerlings coming to stores this week, starting today. So you can go now and get them. Oh my goodness, do you want to open up the pinata? Oh, she's being kind of goofy. Should we put her upside down? Like she'll be goofy. And she's like, Hey, watch this too. You can blow kisses. And she'll blow kisses back to you. Aw, that's so cute. Okay, do you want to hit it? Okay, we'll let you hit it. I don't want to get hit by the pinata though. Go right here. Okay, go, hit it. Go, there, hit it. Ready, and go. Oh, here, I'll hold the pinata. You hit. We've resorted to punching. Check out your karate moves. Ah! Okay. Okay, let's do. This is like a solid box. Like it's a solid cardboard. Wait. Oh, there we go.
No cheating.
I'm not going to cheat. I'm just going to open it. Oh, hold on. Okay. And then. There we go. Here, wait, now hit it. Okay, where's our stick? Uh-oh, something fell, but keep on hitting. Whoa, there we go.
Okay.
There we go. Let's shake it. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, and then, oh, there's more stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, sweet. Ta-da, we did it. Oh wait, they have names? Oh, look. Oh, hey, look here. Bananas. Oh wait, looks like her name's Bella. Oh, that's cute. Should we name her Bella then? Okay, this is cute. Look, she has her own little pin. That's cute. That's so cute. I don't know if you want to open it. Wait a minute. Banana, should we feed her? Yeah. Wait, let's put it right here. There we go. Oh, that's cute. Yum, yum. Wait, and then if you press her head down. Oh, she just farted. Ava, she just farted. You press her head down.
Monkey.
Wait, do you have another monkey? Oh my gosh, look. Oh, this is cute. Here, Ava.
What is this?
Guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait. Oh, they want to kiss. Okay. Mwah. Mwah.
Oh, look.
Oh, look, and then they kiss back. That's so cute. Look. Do you get another monkey?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that? Let me help you open it. We'll get our monkeys. And you can kind of cradle them and have them rest. No way, a little black monkey?
But there's also a white one.
Oh, cool. Okay, wait, let's get them lined up. 1 second. Oh, look, so this one with the purple, that's Mia. So we have Bella and Mia. That's cute. And then let's look at more pins and just see everybody else's name. Oh, this one's Sophie. And there's more bananas. Okay.
This could be for more everybody.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, is this? Oh, what is this?
A green one.
Yeah, it's kind of like a light blue one. This is cool. I didn't know they had so many. Okay, let's turn it on.
Look, this is the white one.
Is it Hola?
Oh, I found the white one.
Oh, good. You found Sophie.
Can you open this bag?
Yeah.
This banana bag.
Oh my gosh, look. Oh, Sophie's kind of special looking. Like she looks pearl. Like she looks kind of pearl. Okay, put it on your finger. These fingerlings are so cool because you can put them on whatever finger you want. I kind of like the index finger. Oh, do you want this one?
Can you open this?
Oh yeah. Wait, I want to kiss. Can you blow her a kiss? And then she just kiss back. Yeah. That's candy.
Oh.
We have banana candies. Okay. There we go. Bananas! Go bananas! Okay, look.
There's more.
If you put them upside down, they go kind of crazy. Like,
how do you open this?
bananas. They're all going kind of crazy.
The banana party.
Banana party. Wait, let's have them go upside down so they can go kind of crazy for the bananas. Go bananas for the bananas. Okay. Here, hold him upside down. That's cute. Here, wait, let me turn your little guy on. There you go. That's cute. Should we open up? We have more stuff in here. Okay, look, so we got, oh, a little hair tie. Fingerlings hair tie. That's cute. Okay, we can put that on Mia. There we go. That's cute. She's like, I can't see very well. That's so cute. And then look, we got little tattoos. And more little pins. Oh, here's our little blue monkey. Okay, we got them all on my fingers here, and they're all making different sounds. So they make 40 different sounds. So you can hear some snoring, some kissing, some laughing, some farting if you press their head. They're making a lot of cute little sounds. Oh, and look what I found. It is a check for Wild Aid. So this is really awesome. If you buy a fingerling between August 11th and August 18th, so today, then WowWee will donate $1 for each fingerling sold. And the money will be donated to Wild Aid to help protect animals. So feed your little monkey, Sophie. I'll take Mia. Wait, are those really candy? You can eat those?
Yeah.
We've had these tasty bananas here this whole time. Oh, she says no. She's like, I don't want it. Maybe she might be ready for sleep. So we can kind of rock her to sleep. Yeah, everyone else is going a little crazy. Okay, so let's try to see if we get this little monkey to fart. Here, it's gonna fart right by you, okay? Ah, you're like, no. Did you hear that? Ew! It went your direction. Wait, let's shove it over there. You want to hold him? Good. Okay, and this little fingerling, he wants to give you a tattoo. Do you want this pink one? Or this one with the blue and purple? Maybe pink? That one looks cute. Okay, let's put it on your little arm right here. And he's going to help hold it. Like, oh, hey, feed him a banana since he's helping you. Oh, I think he likes it. Do you want to pet him?
You want a banana because you're helping?
Yeah, of course. Thank you. That was very considerate of you. Okay, let's peel it off. See? Oh my gosh, it turned out really well. That's cute. I think I need one too. Maybe I'll do this one. Okay, we'll do it right here too. Oh, I'm tickling him. Let's pet you. Alexa, it's like, let's see. Hi, little monkey. Okay, should we check on my tattoo?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, that turned out really well. He's like, it's me. That's really cute. Him and Mia. He's so cute. Hi. You want to do something crazy? I want to see if I can rock him to sleep. Getting sleepy. Getting sleepy. See, he's quiet. Uh-oh. Man, this monkey, he's like, I don't want to go to bed. There's bananas here. Oh my goodness, are you collecting all your stuff? I think somebody else has gone bananas. Like these guys. I hope everybody likes this video. Please give us like a fingerling style thumbs up. Wait, let's see. Like this, thumbs up with the little monkey. Subscribe to the DisneyCarToys channel, and in the comments let us know which little fingerling is your favorite one. I love the pink one the most, and then probably my second favorite is this cute little white one.
I like the white one.
Yeah, it's cute. Ooh, and if you want to pick these up, they're in stores right now at Walmart, Target, Toys R Us, all major retailers. And if you buy them between the 11th and the 17th, remember they donate $1 to Wild Aid. Aww. And thank you, WowWee, for sending us these awesome fingerlings. They're so cute.